Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Infinity Angel token. Now the Infinity Angel token is just about to get a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here, the Infinity Angel token. So there was a tweet recently from Mexc Global 15 hours ago. It says, "We are thrilled to announce that ING, which is the ticker symbol for the Infinity Angel token, we are thrilled to announce that ING will have its initial listing on Mexc Global," which means that that's going to be like their first central exchange listing. It says Infinity Angel is an AA game from Korea, with the playing genre being a horizontal screen like MOBA, focusing on PvP and esports, in addition to the PvE game modes of the endless role-playing game genre. It says stay tuned. So if you just follow Mexc Global's Twitter or even Infinity Angel's Twitter, they're going to announce exactly when this listing is going to be, their very first central exchange listing. So Mexc Global's Twitter is at Mexc_global, and Infinity Angel's Twitter is at InfinityAngelIO. So that's the two ways you can follow these projects here and see exactly when Infinity Angel is going to be listed. And Infinity Angel actually has 35,100 Twitter followers, so they're a very established project already. 159 tweets. MOBA game, PvP, and PvE, free to play. So they have their own webpage listed on their Twitter. It is infinityangel.io. That's how you get over there. So their pinned tweet, it says, "We are glad to announce the minting schedule for Infinity Angel will be running these certain dates." So you can check that out as well. Lots of cool artwork on this project here. So on their webpage, they have gameplay, marketplace, roadmap, white paper, partners, information. You can change the language. You can get the app on Android or iOS, and those are coming soon, it says. So it says, Infinity Metaverse set the future world of the 21st century where death is no longer the limit for humanity. Every consciousness, as well as every soul, is encoded into a new form of matter capable of being conveyed to substitutes for the old body or transported across all galaxies in the vast universe. Join to Infinity Metaverse. You will be immersed in a colorful virtual world where you can do everything to earn money, such as participating in fleets of space exploration, transforming into a miner to dig minerals in some asteroids, join a space race, or simply become an angel to fight for the rewards of ING and interstellar currency across the Infinity Universe. Infinity Angel is a chapter first of the Infinity Metaverse. This is translated from Korean, by the way. That's why it reads kind of weird, but you get the idea of what they're saying anyways. This is the end of the world of Infinity after the opposition gas destroy the entire angel civilization as well as human space technology. Gas are believers that immortality is for creators and not humans. Infinity Angel is where you can transform into angels to repel the attacks of the gas faction to regain the earth. Angels actually are human consciousness encoded into new matter, a digital halo, and angel bodies are essentially just a vessel designed to have military-grade combat capabilities. Infinity Angel is a real-time online battle arena game that combines MOBA and action elements. This game uses 3D design graphics with third-person perspectives. In the near future, you can use VR devices to participate in combat, with extremely stimulating first-person perspective. You should think of a good strategy before you start, because the fiercest battle is waiting for you from the moment Infinity Angel brings you into the fight against the Gas faction. Free to play and play for money. So they have angels, minions, skins, skills, game modes, in-game rewards, ranking system, guild economy, all sorts of cool stuff on here. So you can go over their vision and mission is pretty large on here if you want to read about those two things. And so their mission here basically is, in a nutshell, is community empowerment, strong ecosystem, and an excellent game. It shows all the way throughout the white paper too of what the game looks like. So it says core team. It goes over their names and job titles. It doesn't have pictures of them on the white paper. It just goes over. There's a lot of people involved here because this is a big game. Oh, it does actually have pictures. If you scroll down far enough, you can see pictures of at least 8 people on there. There's also an advisors section, game community design section on their white paper. So also gameplay, you can go over angels, equipment. So equipment has tiers, minion parts, costume, skills. Then there's game modes, battle PvE, battle PvP, boss raids, battle PvP premium, and research institute. Then we got different rankings and battle rewards. Then we got guild section here. And then in the economy section on their white paper, we got the free to play section. We got the play to earn section. You can mint yourself some angels, it looks like here. There's mystery boxes where you can get an angel box, a skin box, or a minion box. Costume box, minions part box. There's a monetary system where we have we have 2 different coins actually. So the one that's looks like it's going to be listed, let me scroll back on the Twitter here. The one that's going to be listed is ING. That's the one on Mexc. And that is the Infinity Universe Gem. That's what that stands for. But then I guess there's an in-game currency as well called the Infinity Angel Coin. And that one is INC is the ticker symbol for that one. So there's a tokenomics section for both of the coins basically. Total supply of the ING token is 5 billion tokens. And you can use that for buying NFTs, buying gold, buying boxes, staking, evolving angels, repairing durability. So that one's the one that you would trade on the central exchange or decentralized exchange. And then the INC coin can be earned by playing the game. And then you can claim them in your wallet, basically. So that's the play to earn one. You can get it from special events, battle pass, guild wars, daily missions, tournaments, and ranking system. And then those can be changed in the exchange or for minions and skin boxes or hiring angels. That's basically it. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto and definitely check out that Mexc Global one where this token's about to be listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.